dark gray sky. And then I woke up from the dream feeling, somewhat puzzled at the things I was seeing. Like the moon was bigger than the sun. It was more luminous than the sun. The comets, and we all know that comets in ancient times was looked at by ancient cultures as omens, usually bad omens. And it was very rare to see more than one comet in the sky. Actually, I believe around 2003 there was 3 comets seen in the sky here in America. And I remember somewhat that these comets were like seeing 3 comets with the naked eye or unaided eye, without using a telescope, was a phenomenon. And you can take this out, 3 comets, 3 naked eye comets appeared in the sky in the year 2003, or it could have been the year 2004. But anyhow, I made drawings of what I seen in this dream. Okay, so like I said, there was a fence in front of the bus stop, and there was like some type of landfill, and some, we saw trucks. And then I took notice of the moon, and it was very luminant, and it was very somewhat vague. And I took notice also of the sun. Then after I took notice of the sun and the moon, I seen comets all up here, and they just flickering through the sky. Flick, flick, flick. And lastly, in this dream, I described these big raindrops. How would I describe these? These raindrops were like, I would say, size of maybe a 10-inch shoe. Okay, so they was brown, they were like globs, and they were just falling out of a gray cloud. It was very grayish out in this dream. And finally, the next and last number in this piece is the number 9. This piece is called Section 10, 7, Moon Dream, or S10, 7, M, and D. In the month of April 28, 2011, I recorded this dream inside my dream book. Today, I briefly dreamt about a crescent moon. In this dream, I remember that it was nighttime. It might have been a spring or summer night. And I was somewhere inside an American city. I stood upon the grounds, looking up into the sky, and in the sky I spotted the moon and a small bright star-like object nearing the moon's right side. This small white body was approaching the moon's upper right hand side. This object might have been 10 or 15 degrees, slanted from the moon right side. Before I left this dream, I sensed that this bright object might have been the planet Venus. And I have a drawing of this particular dream. You see here, this is the crescent moon, and this is like this bright object I seen approaching the moon, and I believe this object was the planet Venus. So as you see, the planet Venus is getting close to the moon. It's probably also getting close to Earth, just like Mars was getting close to the moon as well, because something had came into our solar system, a red object, planet X or a second sun, and this plowed right through the solar system and pushed the inner planets that revolves around the sun close to our Earth. And I woken up from this dream. Okay, so the next letter in Parrish prophecy, Parrish future prophecy, will be the letter N. Thank you.